In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export an Asana Gantt chart. If you're looking to streamline your project management process by exporting your Gantt chart from Asana, you've come to the right place. Let's dive into the steps. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Asana account. Once you're on your Asana homepage, you'll be ready to begin the export process. The initial step involves locating and selecting the specific project you wish to export as a Gantt chart. Start by browsing through your list of projects until you find the one you're interested in. Once you've pinpointed the right project, click on it to open it up. This will take you to the project-specific page where all the details and tasks related to it are displayed. Now, what you need to do next is to look for the Project Actions drop-down menu. This menu is typically found near the top of the page. It's often represented by a downward arrow. Give it a click, and you'll be presented with a variety of options. But don't get overwhelmed. What you want to focus on is the option labeled Sync Export. Click on it to move forward. Once you're in this section, you'll see multiple export format options. Here, you'll want to choose CSV as your preferred format. Opting for CSV is strategic because CSV files are not only simple, but also incredibly versatile. They can be easily opened with most spreadsheet applications like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. This versatility makes them an excellent choice for manipulating data. After selecting CSV, go ahead and download the file. Once the download is complete, open it in Excel. This step is crucial as it allows you to view and manipulate all your project data with remarkable ease. You can organize, filter, and format your data to suit your needs. If you're interested in a more visual representation of your project data, there's another excellent alternative, and that's Gantt. Gantt integrates seamlessly with Asana, offering a fantastic way to export your Gantt charts in a more graphical format. To get started with Gantt, you'll need to connect your Asana project. Follow the integration steps provided on the Gantt website to link your project. Once your project is linked, navigating within Gantt becomes straightforward. You'll be able to manage your tasks in a timeline view directly on the platform. When you're ready to proceed, simply click on Export and Share to start the export process. Gantt also gives you some flexibility in selecting your preferred export format, which can be quite handy depending on how you want to present or share your data. By following these well-laid-out steps, you should now be able to export your Gantt chart from Asana with ease, whether you're opting for the CSV format or choosing to use Gantt for a more visual approach. Whether you're compiling reports for a meeting or simply keeping track of your progress, having your data readily available and accessible is incredibly beneficial. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful tutorials like this one. Happy project managing!